Okay, so in this screencast, we're going to go through the scenario of what it would cost to buy in your neighborhood if you wanted to buy a small one-bedroom unit, maybe a one-bedroom apartment, to buy a two-bedroom unit, so maybe a two-bedroom condo, and then at least a three-bedroom unit, maybe a detached house. Now, this is going to require a little bit of research plus a little bit of math, okay? So let's start with just the research. Let's go ahead and jump over to Zillow here. Here I am in Zillow, and for our purposes, I'm going to try the three-bedroom unit. So let me see what the cheapest three-bedroom house is that I can find. So I'm going to go up here and going to select. I've got for sale, any price, 3+ bedrooms, and the first one that I can find is a three-bedroom, two-bath. Here it is for $594,000. And before I go jump right back over here and do any of my math on 5% or anything like that, Zillow is really cool because it actually gives you a calculator right inside of it. So you can see here, it's got the sale price, it's got the estimated mortgage here, that's your monthly payment to the bank. And when you click on the calculator, it's actually going to tell you, give you a few options that you can fill in here. So keep it at a 30-year fixed mortgage. Ask your teacher what that means. But let's jump over here. So it says here a 5% deposit. So most banks, you have to have at least 5% in cash to buy this house. So if I were to buy this house now and give the bank 5% down, I would need $29,700. So I can type in 29,700 just like so, and go ahead and convert that over to a currency. Now let's jump over to a 20%. It would be nice. That's kind of the goal, is to get 20%, right? If you were to have 20% in cash to purchase this house, you need $118,000 and $118,800. There we go. And at that point, we can select the mortgage. Let's go somewhere in between. Let's say the average mortgage, we're going to be at about $2,700 a month. Okay, now we can do the same thing here that we did in the last one. All we need to do is type in, to figure out your salary, needed salary to afford this house, or to afford the mortgage for the house at least, is you go equals sum 2,700 divided by 0.3, and you need to make at least, at the bare minimum, that would be $9,000 a month. So if we actually took this, close that, and we could do it right here, close that parenthesis and go asterisk, multiply by 12 months in the year. That's a salary of $108,000 a year. Keep in mind that's normally split between two breadwinners, so you have like mom and dad working, so that would be a combined household income, which makes it more affordable, but nevertheless a pretty steep price for a three-bedroom house. Okay, and that's how you conduct that. It's a little bit of a combination between research and some of those formulas.